When companies expand their production areas, safety requirements increase enormously. Traditional security guards can no longer reliably cover this area. Increasing staffing levels would be costly and time-consuming. That is why YADOS worked with Deutsche Telekom IoT to develop a digital security concept. Fully automated drone surveillance and intelligent sensor technology enable efficient, cost-effective, and secure monitoring of the factory premises. In the event of suspicious activity, reports are sent via the Deutsche Telekom mobile network to an AI cloud platform. The system analyzes the data and, if necessary, activates a drone that automatically flies to the scene and transmits real-time images to the control center. The software is available around the clock, reduces costs and personnel expenses, and ensures seamless monitoring. It is also flexible, scalable, and can be adapted to new requirements at any time. Thanks to the collaboration between YADOS and Deutsche Telekom IoT, new standards are being set in surveillance using drones.